What can I feed my lovebirds? Hello, I'm here to help you with a few ideas for keeping your lovebirds healthy and happy. As they are birds, they have specific dietary needs, so it's important to choose high-quality food that meets their requirements. Here are some ideas for keeping your lovebirds healthy and satisfied. 1. Bird seeds. A good quality bird seed is essential for your lovebirds. Look for seeds that are specifically designed for lovebirds and contain all the necessary nutrients for their healthy growth and development. 2. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Lovebirds enjoy a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Make sure you provide them with a mix of fruits like banana, apple, orange and peach, as well as vegetables like carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers. 3. Bird pellets. Bird pellets are another good source of nutrition for your lovebirds. Look for pellets that are specifically designed for lovebirds and check the nutritional content to ensure they are providing the right balance of nutrients. 4. Insects and small mammals. Insects like crickets and mealworms, and small mammals like mice and hamsters can be a healthy and tasty addition to your lovebirds' diet. Make sure you provide them with clean and safe insects or mammals. 5. Water. Lastly, make sure your lovebirds have access to clean and fresh water. You can provide them with a water bottle or a hanging water dish. And make sure to change the water every day or two to keep it clean and safe. Remember, always provide a balanced diet for your lovebirds and consult with a veterinarian if you have any concerns about their health. Happy feeding!